Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching my video today. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Insight Cosmetics lip glosses. Now they are called the Insight Long Wear Color Rich Lip Gloss. So it comes in a packaging like that, and I got hold of two shades. Now I had purchased one of the shades like approximately 2 months ago, and I was looking for one particular shade which was always out of stock on Purple. So I finally got hold of it. I've been using it, I've been loving it. So I thought it's high time that I film this video. So here I am with this video today to talk about these lip glosses, my thoughts on them, and I'm also going to do lip swatches by the end of the video. So if this video interests you, if you'd like to know more about this product, then please keep on watching. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you like my content, if you like my channel, and if you'd like to support my channel. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Alright friends, I'm going to start with the video right away. Also the lighting is not that great. I'm filming actually in a different room this time around, and the weather is kind of funny. It's very hot as well as it's cloudy, so sometimes the light keeps on shifting, but I hope you guys bear with me. So like I mentioned in the introduction, I got hold of the Insight Cosmetic lip glosses, and today I'm going to talk about them. I did show you the packaging in the beginning, so this is how it looks like. It comes in a cardboard sort of packaging, which I really like and appreciate because some brands are not doing that. So if I look at the box, it says it has a shelf life of approximately 4 years. Can you believe that? Yeah, 4 years is a lot, I guess. So that's a good thing. And it says that its MRP is 81 rupees and you get 4 ml of product. So I would say that I'm kind of disappointed in that department. मैं चाहती थी कि थोड़ा और लंबा वाला ज़्यादा ml वाला lip gloss हो. Again, that's my choice. Some people will say I'm okay with that. So now I have to be okay because the brand has a smaller version only. So I hope they come out with a bigger version, so that would be more better. Now if I look out here, it says description: long wear color rich lip gloss formula ensures high color payoff just like a lipstick. It's highly pigmented, very glossy, long lasting, and can impart subtle or dramatic color. It gives hydration that makes your lips look fuller and moisturized. It's enriched with vitamin E. The special tip applicator delivers pigment uniformly and precisely. Okay, so a lot of claims have been made out here. Now let me tell you, while before filming this video I checked Purple. They have 7 shades, but I'm sure they have more than that. There's a lot of confusion about Insight Cosmetics always about their shades and its availability and stuff, because अगर आप नायका पे जाओगे आपको कुछ अलग shades मिलेंगे, Purple पे अलग होंगे, Flipkart पे अलग होंगे, and if you go to their website they stock all the possible colors that they have. So this is something they need to work on. Like if you're selling something like say a lip gloss, then you should stock the whole collection, so that way we as consumers don't have to go यहाँ वहाँ check करो मगजमारी करो, because I generally shop from Purple and that's where I prefer buying it from. So I literally had to wait for one shade for like 1 month because it was always out of stock. So let me show you the shades now that I got and the packaging. So as I said, there are a lot of claims out here, and it's talking about the wand and it makes your lips look fuller and everything. We'll discuss that later. I did go through the ingredients list. There is no paraben mentioned, although there is perfume. That's what they say. So we'll see about that. So yeah, this is the packaging, and let me show you the lip gloss itself. So I picked up two shades. This is how it looks like. It's a very basic and clear container kind of packaging. So पैकेजिंग ठीक ठाक है, इतना चीप भी नहीं लग रहा है और इतना luxurious भी नहीं लग रहा है. I think it serves the purpose of a lip gloss. Now on the lip gloss itself nothing is mentioned like the expiry date, so you will have to note that down. Now below is the shade name. This is now 01 Frost. It's a clear lip gloss, and this is how the wand is. I hope you can see that it's like a flat wand. The camera might not catch that perfectly, but it's a flat shape wand. Can you see that? It's not like a doe foot applicator, so I think that really helps in applying the lip gloss really well. And the second shade I have is 08 Glitz, and this is the one. And let me tell you, this is the #1 best seller lip gloss on the Amazon app, also on Purple. जैसे ही ये स्टॉक हो जाता है, ये immediately out of stock भी हो जाता है. So this is how it looks like, and this is how the wand is. Now I guess here you can see better, like it's a flat shape wand, so it's very easy to apply the lip gloss. So this is what I'm wearing right now. Can you see that? So if I have to talk about these lip glosses, I think they are really amazing. Let me tell you why. The formula of these is not too thick and not too thin. It's somewhere in between. Also when you apply it, it is slightly sticky, but sticky enough to help the lip gloss stay for a longer time on the lips. Also these lip glosses are very moisturizing, so I really like that about these lip glosses. Now this particular one, there is nothing to show, but I'll try to do a hand swatch of this one. So the reason why this lip gloss I think is very popular is because it's kind of a nude color, which it is, and it has a lot of shimmer to it, which is not chunky. Can you see that shade? And that's what I'm wearing on my lips. Now it looks better in real life, to be honest. On camera it will always wash you out. So it's kind of hiding the pigmentation of my lips. It's imparting a nice, you know, color, as well as it's giving that shiny effect and a little bit of shimmer. So see, this is how it looks like, and this is what is on my lips. So if I have to talk about these lip glosses, I would say इतना सस्ता lip gloss मैंने आज तक देखा नहीं है. I've always been a fan of going to beauty center which is in Bombay, and you get all type of lip glosses out there. मतलब एक टाइम था जहाँ पे मिलता था. Right now I've not gone there for you know like 2.5 years, so I'm not sure what kind of brands are there. You know, sometimes you find new brands out there. So I was a big fan of lip glosses, you know, like 8 or 10 years ago. Whenever I used to go, so they used to have these nice shimmery lip gloss, and they were from VOV. Now this company, Inside Cosmetics, is owned by VOV, so it's either a subsidiary or they are owning this particular brand. तो ये जो formula और ये जो products ये लोग बनाते हो काफ़ी inexpensive, and that's one of the reasons why. So I really like it. This is a made in India product, and I'm really happy with it because इतना सस्ता यार कहाँ मिलता है like lip gloss. Like I said, I'm only not happy with this, you know, size. I wish there was a bigger size like 8 ml or so. So एक lip gloss आपको आराम से, you know, 4-5 months will you will be able to use a lip gloss if you use it regularly. This one you might end up using it pretty soon, but no complaints. I can always repurchase, and I'm thinking of repurchasing this lip color. And I also like 1 or 2 more shades, but I did not want to buy more because I feel like I've literally bought a lot of lip products, and imagine there's nowhere to go, there's nowhere to apply. So this, I found this really perfect. Like look at that shade, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm totally in love with it. जिस दिन मैंने लाया उस दिन मैंने तुरंत अप्लाई किया because I was so curious to know how it's going to look on my lips. So if I have to really sum up the whole review, I would say that this lip gloss is really inexpensive. It's easily available. You can find it on Nykaa, you can Purple, and you can find it on Amazon very easily. I will link that in the description. The reason why I didn't buy it from Amazon because I would have to pay like 50 rupees shipping, and I did not want to do that. But if you have Amazon Prime, well, you can easily get free shipping, right? So price wise and availability wise, it's very easy to find this product. Like in my particular area, there are 2 or 3 shops which have Inside Cosmetics. You can go ahead and buy it from the shop as well. I like the packaging, it's decent, and I also like the wand. Like I showed you previously, it's like a flat shaped wand, and it really makes the lip gloss application easy. तो एकदम चपटा है, आपको लगाने में बहुत आसानी हो जाती है. Other than that, it's very moisturizing. Can you see that? So even if you don't apply a lip balm, if you apply this clear lip gloss, in fact this clear lip gloss, it will do the job of moisturizing your lips. Slightly sticky है और थोड़ा सा heavy है, but I think that really helps in keeping the lips, you know, plump and juicy, and you know, give you that nice kind of sheen which you can see on my lips right now. Overall, I think this lip gloss is a clear winner in my opinion. अगर आपने ये try नहीं किया है, then definitely try it. If you know, if you have been on Instagram, there are many brands which are coming out with lip glosses, but your prices are way too much. Now they do say they are handmade and there is no chemical in that, but for me personally, I would not like to spend more than, you know, 150 rupees on a lip gloss. क्योंकि ये बेसिकली आई नो यू नो द होल प्रोसीजर हाउ टू मेक लिप ग्लॉसेस, बट दी इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर नॉट इजीली अवेलेबल. तो मैं खुद इसको बना नहीं सकती और वो सब झंझट हो जाता है. जैसे अच्छा है आप मार्केट से कोई भी लिप ग्लॉस खरीदो. एंड बैक इन द डे, आई थिंक 8 or 10 years ago, lip glosses were in fashion. Then again it lost its charm, like, you know, matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and I think we are going back to the lip gloss era. So there are a lot of shades to choose from this whole collection. I'm eyeing 2 shades. One is called Luxe, LUXE number 7 I guess it is, and one is number 13 which is like a rusty brown. अगर मैं फ्यूचर में उसको ट्राई करूँगी, मैं डेफिनेटली अपने वीडियोस में मेंशन करूँगी. आई डू अ शॉर्ट वीडियो और यू नो इंस्टाग्राम रील. सो डेफिनेटली फॉलो मी गाइस ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल, ऑल्सो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आई लीव माय you know handle out here and the link in the description box. So this was my short review of the Inside Color Rich Long Wear Lip Gloss. Definitely guys, give this a try. It's really amazing. Like clear lip gloss, I was first searching for a clear lip gloss for nearly 2 years. Then I got hold of the Swiss Beauty one. Now I found the Inside one, so I cannot be more happier. So I'll definitely be, you know, stocking up on this shade once I finish half of it, because I think it's a cute color. Like, can you see that? Like, I'm really in love with it. You can also apply it on top of any of your lipsticks, or you know, underneath it, whatever you prefer, and it will give you a nice glossy finish. So this was my review. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If yes, please give this video a like, share it on your social media. Also comment down below letting me know if you have tried this lip gloss and which is your favorite from the 2 shades I have just shown in this video. And yes, that's it for now. I will see you all soon in my next video. Before you go, please go ahead and watch the lip gloss swatches. Bye bye for now.